hydroponic strawberries require ample light for optimal growth. Consider using high-quality LED grow lights with a spectrum suitable for both vegetative and flowering stages. Maintain a consistent temperature range of 60–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15–24 degrees Celsius for the best results. Adequate ventilation is essential to prevent heat buildup in the growing area. While some hydroponic strawberry varieties are self-pollinating, it's advisable to assist the pollination process manually. Gently shake the plants or use a small fan to simulate wind, aiding in the transfer of pollen between flowers. This step is crucial for the development of healthy, robust berries. Regular maintenance is key to a thriving hydroponic strawberry system. Monitor the nutrient levels, pH, and EC regularly, adjusting as needed. Prune the plants to remove dead or diseased leaves and check for pests regularly. Proper care ensures a continuous harvest and reduces the risk of plant diseases. Once the plants have matured and produced fruit, carefully harvest the strawberries when they reach their full color and size. Use sanitized scissors to cut the berries, ensuring minimal damage to the plant. Regular harvesting encourages the continuous production of strawberries throughout the growing season. Setting up a hydroponic strawberry system requires careful planning, attention to detail, and consistent maintenance. By selecting the right hydroponic system, choosing suitable strawberry varieties, acquiring the necessary equipment, and providing optimal growing conditions, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious strawberries year-round. Whether you are a seasoned hydroponic enthusiast or a beginner, cultivating strawberries hydroponically offers a rewarding and efficient way to enjoy this delectable fruit. Thanks for growing with us.